Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn about different parts of a plant and how they help it grow.
Yay! I love plants. What are the plants, Mom?
Yes, today we will learn about parts of the plant. What are plants? Plants are living organisms that are able to produce their own food through photosynthesis. They come in variety of shapes, sizes and colors. They have special parts that help them survive and thrive.
What are the parts of a plant?
Yes, there are 6 main parts of the plant: leaf, stem, root, flower, fruit, seed.
Roots.
Roots are often found below the surface of the soil. They absorb water and nutrients from the ground. They also anchor the plant in place. Some roots store food and nutrients for the plant's growth.
Stems.
Stems are found above the ground. They provide support to the plant by holding up leaves, flowers, and buds. They also transport water, nutrients, and minerals to different parts of the plant.
Leaves.
Leaves are flat and thin structures attached to the stem of the plant. They provide food for the plant through the process of photosynthesis. They also help regulate the exchange of gases with the surroundings.
Flowers.
Flowers are characterized by the colorful petals and sweet fragrance. They attract pollinators like insects, birds that help in transfer of pollen from one flower to another. This transfer of pollen seeds leads to seed production.
Fruits.
Fruits are the parts of the plant that contain seeds. They protect and dispense seeds. They also provide food for animals. They are typically sweet or tart in taste and can be eaten raw or cooked.
Seeds.
Seeds are typically small and often protected by a seed coat. They contain a tiny undeveloped plant embryo along with a supply of stored food. The embryo, seed coat, and stored food are all necessary for a new plant to grow and develop. Plants are amazing because they provide us with oxygen to breathe, food to eat, and materials for clothing and shelter. They also make our environment beautiful.
Let's appreciate and take care of plants because they are an essential part of our lives and our planet.
That was amazing, right? So we learned so many parts of plants today. Thanks for learning with us today.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.